For them, for drape up him man and them.
What you say?
Me a try to see, but everybody is in the way. Me a try to see, but everybody is in the way.
I know what's going on over there, man.
You can't see and then till no go away.
We're going. Hey, come. We want to this is
Put your hands up as I will call my lawyer. Just not touch me, me not doing nothing.
No problem. Pastor will be going down there to preach to those that down there who need healing. Pastor will be going to preach.
Drape up people. I think people don't know their rights. I can't touch me. Because me not for me rights.
The word of God, video it! And send it down, we are blessing!
The man who come disturb the word of God today. calm down. That's not necessary right now. Too wrong to make one right.
Hey, dance all.
I pray for Chris over children. I pray for Chris over children.